Welcome to the February 2026 construction update for Grand Solaire, located on Thappraya Road in South Pattaya, Thailand. Construction is advancing right on schedule, with major progress across both structural and finishing works. The main tower has now reached the 66th floor, commencing on the final residential level and rooftop, a significant milestone toward full structural completion. Interior wall installation has progressed to the 60th floor, exterior plastering through the 52nd, and mechanical and electrical systems are underway up to the 56th floor. Ceiling works have reached the 48th floor, with aluminium window and façade installations in place through the 43rd floor. Start your Plan B now. THAI-investproperty.com